Hey guys, it is Dolla Docta Jennifer here, and we've got another quick DIY tie-dye because if you saw, I have done a pair of really cool rainbow stained glass shoes. Hope you enjoyed that one. Well, I still have dye to use, and I have to use it within 72 hours. So we're gonna do 2 shirts today, and then maybe 2 shirts tomorrow or the next day in the morning. We'll see. So I am going to just show you guys, like I did previously, my rubber banding technique. It always is a surprise what comes out, so stay tuned and you'll see what we come up with this time, and these will go for sale in my Poshmark closet at some point. All right, here we go. All right, so we have 2 shirts. They are actually long sleeve shirts. They are really nice Land's End, and they're both a size medium. So those are what we're going to be dyeing today. I've got gloves, rubber bands, and then we have our dyes still in the little bottles. Those are the shoes I just finished. So we're going to do 2 different techniques on these, and we'll see how they come out. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, so I don't think it was recording, of course, when I was rubber banding it. What I did was, I'll show you on the other shirt, I laid it out flat and then I picked it up directly in the middle and shook it out, and then started rubber banding from here all the way down. And then the sleeves, I decided to do something a little different. I actually accordioned the sleeves, so they looked like this, and then I rubber banded them, and I'm going to dye them kind of separately, kind of just winging it. So the sleeves kind of looked like that. So this is what we have now. These are the sleeves, and then this is the rest of the shirt. So now I'm going to start doing color, and we will see what happens. Here we go. Okay guys, so I am not going to film like I did last time, me rinsing all these out, but I am going to show you really quickly after the rubber bands have been taken off what they look like before they get washed. The shoes right now are in the wash, which happened a while ago, so you'll have already seen all that. All right, big reveal number one. Ooh, look at those sleeves. This is supposed to be a bullseye pattern. Oh, and it is. We did good. Look at that. It's gorgeous. All right, I gotta rinse it out and then we're gonna put it in the wash. All right, got number two. Number one, we finished rinsing. So let's see what we got here. This is supposed to be a spiral. Oh goodness. Oh yeah. Sorry. Pretty good spiral. Could have been a little tighter, but I like it. I like how the arms came out in a rainbow. So time to rinse this, and then I will show you guys after I wash them what they look like. Okay guys, so this is our spiral pattern. This is after we washed it, and this is actually my listing on Poshmark. I do have these both listed. I will see if they sell beforehand, and I will put that in here if I can. And so that's the first one. I really love how it turned out. Super cute. And like I said, size medium. And then this is the second one. This is the bullseye pattern, and I also like how it came out as well. Honestly, I would probably try and keep this one if it was my size, but it's not. So good for you guys, not great for me. They are both available, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below any questions, and remember to help control the pet population and have your pet spayed or neutered. Bye guys.